Hello guys, so this time our topic is solving quadratic equations. So example number 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So this process is just the factoring. So maglalaan tayo ng dalawang set of parentheses. So factor ng x squared is x times x. Then factor ng 2, pag i-add is 3. So the factors of 2 is or are positive 1 and positive 2. So when we multiply that is 2. Then when we add, the result is 3. So therefore, that is the correct factor. So let's just equate by 0. So pwedeng walang parenthesis yan. Nagkamali lang tayo. So x plus 1 equals 0. Then yung second factor, x plus 2 equals 0. So that is according to zero product property. So solving for the value of x sub 1. So transpose si positive 1 to the right. So x sub 1 equals negative 1. Take note, every time we transpose, the sign will always change. So the same process for x sub 2. Positive 2 transpose to the right. So x sub 2 equals negative 2. So that is the solution for number 1. Negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, let's try example number 2. X squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. So, maglaan tayo ng dalawang parentheses. Okay, equals 0. Then, first, hanap tayo ng factors na 8. Pag i-add 6. So, una dyan, si x squared is x times x. Then, factors of 8, positive 8, we have, pag i-add is 6. So, we have dalawang positive 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 equals 8. Then 2 plus 4 equals 6. So ganyan lang yung process ng solving quadratic equations by factoring. So let's just equate the x plus 2 equals 0. Yung dalawang factors. Then yung isa, x plus 4 equals 0. Okay? So pwede nang walang parentheses yung x plus 2. Okay, transpose si positive 2 to the right. So, x sub 1 equals negative 2. Then, we have another one, x sub 2. So, the same process. Transpose si positive 4 to the right. So, x equals or x sub 2 equals negative 4. That is the solution set for number 2. Negative 2 and negative 4. Now, another example. Let's try example number 3. So, x squared minus 2x minus 24 equals 0. So that is minus si negative 24 or minus 24. So the same process, maglaan tayo ng dalawang parentheses. So factor out or factor si x squared, x times x. Then negative 24, hanap tayo ng factors pag i-add negative 2. So negative 24, so may isang negative. So meaning positive 4 and negative 6. Okay, positive 4 and negative 6. Pag i-multiply, negative 24. Then, pag i-add, so 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So, the result is x plus 4 equate to 0. Then, yung isang factor, x minus 6 equate to 0. Okay? Then, solving for the value of x sub 1. So, transpose si positive 4 to the right, magiging negative 4. So, our x sub 1 equals negative 4. Another one, we have x minus 6 equals 0. So, the same process. Transpose to the right, si negative 6. So, take note, pag mag-transpose, always change the signs. And negative 6 will become positive 6. So, negative 4 and 6 yung ating sagot ng number 3. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this video. Okay, thank you and God bless. Follow for more.